Before we jump back into our flip, Tom Wichman from Florida Friendly Landscaping Program shares with us some yard maintenance tips on creating a landscape bed.
Creating a garden bed is one of those things that can be a little bit intimidating, but it's really very simple if you just follow a few simple tips. One of the things you need to do is survey the area. You really need to look at what's there. You know, where are the sun patterns? What do you want to do with this landscape? Feel free to dream a little bit. Once you have kind of an idea where you want to have that bed, then you can take a garden hose or a rope, kind of spread it out and get a nice pleasing shape, something that works for you and your surroundings. Then you can go ahead and take some paint, go ahead and etch that line in, and then the real fun begins. You're gonna go ahead and remove that turf. Now you can do that with a shovel, you might even rent a sod cutter, or you could use a non-selective herbicide product to remove that turf. It just may take a little extra time. Once the area is all dead and ready for planting, then you want to line your plants up. And maybe you want to have a focal point, or maybe you want to just have some extra plants in that area. Usually put the taller plants towards the back, shorter ones in the front. Make sure that you're planting them properly. Make sure not to put them too deep. Then go ahead and add a 2 to 3 inch layer of nice Florida-friendly organic mulch. That's kind of the finishing touch, and it really puts that wow factor to your new landscape bed. Then go ahead and water and continue to water to keep that landscape getting established properly. It's really a simple process. Don't let it intimidate you, and enjoy your landscape.